Hey guys, this is Rich from Nerd Alert, and this channel is a new channel, and it's about, you know, those moments when you're on Amazon or you're on eBay and you're not quite sure if the product is going to be right for you, especially if it's an expensive product and if it's going to suit your purpose. So what I'm going to do is do videos of products that I've bought, and I suppose they're unboxing videos, but my feelings about if they're worth it, if they're any good, and just to help, you know, you the customer out as to whether you want to go ahead and buy the product. And straight back into the video. So this is a bag I bought from Amazon, and it cost £180, which is a lot of money for basically a satchel, and it is for my drone. So this drone is a DJI FPV, and because I haven't got a bag, I've been carrying it around in a carrier bag, and it's not very good. You can see the rotors have sliced up the bag, and you know, supposing I didn't have that gimbal protector on, it might damage the gimbal, you know, the lens thing, and it's just not a good way of transporting your rather expensive drone around. And you know, this one's got goggles and wires and loads of bits and bobs, so that's why I've bought this really expensive satchel. And the idea as well is to put the drone in the satchel, put it on my back, ride my motorbike to cool locations, jump off the bike and get the drone up in the air as fast as possible. So the bag allows you to have your rotors still on the drone, which seems ideal. We're going to find out. Right, here's the box. Oh my god. Be gone. The bag. Right, this bag says it's waterproof. It looked kind of waterproof-ish. I'm sure it's not waterproof, but showerproof, that's cool. If it goes on the back of the bike and it doesn't get soaking, especially in Britain, that's great. Okay, these look like slots for, on the image it's got the weird controller thing and Google batteries and motion controller, AC power cable, AC power adapter, accessories. Yeah, right. Okay. Then we're going to open it up, see what it's like inside. I'll clip these. Quality wise, it seems really good. It seems very sturdy. Oh. So, can you see that? The drone goes in there. I take it that's where the goggles go? No, is that the goggles? That's the controller in there. Goggles, maybe batteries. So, first test, does it go in like that? So, is that right? Seems that it's... Okay, oops. Yeah? Huh? Fits very well. Turn it upside down. Look at that, stays in pretty good. Big massive junk in a carrier bag, so somehow untangle all that. Oh my god. Right. Oh, you can see why I bought the bag. Right, put the controller in like that. I'm going to stuff that in like there, yeah. goggles. I'll have to look at the picture as to how the goggles are. I'm guessing just to unplug your wires though. Okay. Now I think that slot there, I don't know if you can see, I think that slot there and that slot there for batteries. Maybe, so this is the battery for the goggles. If I want to stuff it in there, yeah. This is too long. This attaches, this lead attaches to your phone, and the phone, I don't know, all the GPS and whatnot. So could I put that in there? And these are my they're lenses. They're like lens covers. They're like shades for your drone. Right. So if I can put in one of these slots here, because you don't use these very often. Well, not as often. Anyway, you chuck that in there. Does that close? Yeah. Oops. A little bit of propeller sticking out. Alright. Get that closed. That closed. Does it fit on my fat back? Right, so I'm 6 foot tall and I weigh, for Americans, I'm about 200 pounds. For Brits, I'm about 15 stone. Does it fit? Yeah. Fits all right. Now, would it fit very well? There's so much adjustment. Would it fit very well if I got a motorbike jacket on? I don't know if I'll be able to have this part on if I got a motorbike jacket on. Let's see if I can. Yeah, this is all right. This is a cool product. Well, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you later with the next gadget that I buy that I'm not sure of. Actually, is it worth £180? It's a lot. It's a lot for a drone. Yeah, it's a lot for a drone. Don't tell your girlfriend. Just if you have a girlfriend. Don't tell your girlfriend or lie about how much it cost. Just say it was 50 quid. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Cheers now, bye.